probably are like me, where you schedule a lot of meetings right now using Zoom. Let's save some time. You do have the option to save templates, that you are able to come back and use later. So how will it work? I'll start by using the template, and then I will go through how you are able to save it. And the beauty of it is that if you have polls, it will also save it within that template. Cool, right? So let's get started. I am on the spot for scheduling a meeting, and I have my options here. When you scroll down, you will see template. If you've already saved one, I'm going to select it. And for now, just watch me creating this one. Yes, it has a date. And the next one that I'm doing is going to be in October the 5th. I might like something there or want to add a couple more information. I'm going to go through the steps of selecting when it is that I am offering this particular session. 6:30 p.m., 30 minutes. And I can change my password if I want to. You know the setting for the waiting room, if you want that on or off. How do you want people to connect and hear you? On audio, telephone, computer audio, or both, and so forth. So I'm going to save. Now everything is there, has the correct date, my meeting information, and the polls that I had saved are also going to be there. Here is where you're going to see when you have completed setting up a meeting. If you want to set it up as a template, you can. So this step is you want to start up a whole new meeting, or you want to make changes to one in terms of setting it up as a template. So right here we are going through creating a meeting first. Oops, if I can spell. I'm just gonna do this one. You have your description, your date. I'm going through setting it up as a template. You're going to fill out what it is that you need. I will come back later and delete this. So to set up a template, create the meeting. When you're done, scroll down and you will see the option to save it as a template. You name it, and in the future, you are able to go ahead and use that as your template. Remember, if you do conduct polls and you want the same polls for that meeting, then go ahead and create it, save it as a template, and the polls will be saved. Until next time, this is Brenda Kasuva. Subscribe for more. Take care.